With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So let's see this question. In this question it is given the compound C8H9Cl on treatment with KCN followed by hydrolysis gives C9H10O2. Ammonium salt of B on dry distillation yields C, which reacts with alkaline solution of bromine to give C8H11N. Another compound E, C6H10O, is obtained by the action of nitrous acid on D or by action of aquapotash. Now E on oxidation, it gives a compound F which gives the inner hydride G on heating, right? So what is this inner hydride? Let's see, very important, how to get the formation of inner hydride, that is important to see. So if you want an inner hydride on heating, you should have the carboxylic acids attached at the adjacent positions like this. When you heat it, you have these compounds are formed, right? C double bond O, and then you have C double bond O and finally O. So this is the anhydride which is formed in the reaction. Now for this anhydride to be formed, you can say this is only the G and anhydride and this is the F compound. Now what should be A? How will you get what should be A? So you can say that if you want adjacent COOH groups, then if A is given C8, you can see very well that what is A given. A is given C8H9Cl. So it can be like CH2Cl here and it can be CH3 here. So it will give you C8H9Cl. Now when you treat this with KCN and hydrolysis is done, so you get the formation of an acid here, like how this acid is formed, right? This you have CH2, COOH, and finally you have CH3 here, right? This is the acid which is formed here, and finally when you treat this acid with the next that is ammonia, when you treat this acid with ammonia, you get the formation of amide, right? Here you will get the formation of amide. This is very important. You get the formation of amide here, CH2CONH2, and here you still have CH3, right? After treating it with ammonia, so this was compound A, this is compound B, this is compound C, right? Now when you treat this, so now after C, you need to treat it with alkaline solution of bromine. So when you treat it with alkaline solution of bromine, bromamide reaction is performed, Hoffman bromamide reaction, and when you treat it with Br2 and NaOH, you have the Hoffman bromamide reaction where you get the formation of an amine like this, CH2NH2, and here CH3 will be attached. Now when you treat this with HNO2, right, the action of nitrous acid. So when you treat this with nitrous acid, what will happen? When you treat this with nitrous acid, right, HNO2, instead of NH2OH will be attached. So you have here this benzene ring, and then you have the CH2, and finally you have OH here, and then here you have CH3. So this is the compound which is attached here. Now after this, by action of aqua, now E on oxidation gives F, which gives the inner anhydride G on heating. So definitely if you oxidize this compound, if you do the oxidation of this compound, you will get the compound which was required to get the anhydride, which we have discussed. You will definitely get COOH here, CH2OH will be oxidized, and even the methyl group will be oxidized to COOH, and now on heating you can easily get the inner anhydride, right? You can easily get the inner anhydride like this, C double bond O, then C double bond O and O. This is the inner anhydride which you will get. So this was only required. So you will say that now you can see what is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all the compounds I have drawn. But now what is important, that compound D on reaction with CHCl3 and NaOH. Let's see. This is A, this is B, this is C. Then you can see this is D compound. Then this was E, then this was F, and finally this was G. So it is said that when D compound, this compound is made to react with CHCl3 and NaOH. So we know this reaction very well, that whenever we react a primary amine with CHCl3 and NaOH, here you have CH3 and here you have CH2NH2. When you react it with CHCl3 and NaOH, what you get, you get the formation of, what you get the formation of an This is the carbylamine reaction. You get the formation of isocyanide. Here you get the formation of isocyanide. How RNC is formed? So this is RNS2. So finally this is with this is the alkyl group R, and along with it NC. This is the isocyanide which is formed in the above reaction. Isocyanide. So this is a very well known reaction called carbylamine reaction, where if you treat it with chloroform and NaOH, carbylamine reaction, when you treat it with chloroform and NaOH, the primary amine gets converted into isocyanide, and along with it you have the formation of NaCl, and H2O is also released. So finally you can say the major product is isocyanide, where CH2NC is like this, right? So let's see which option is correct. When you will see here, then you can see CH2NC, this is the isocyanide. You can see very well this is the exact option which is required. So option B is, we'll write here that option B is correct, right? I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.